Hello, welcome to my channel. Let's continue episode 5 of the binomial series or binomial expansion binomial theorem. Without fully expanding 3 plus x exponent 7, we are to determine the fifth term. In our previous lesson, we learned how to find a specific term. So if we are looking for r term, it is just r minus 1. Right? So in this case, fifth term, which is the fifth for r, will give us 5 minus 1, which will be what? 4. So we are aware that the 4 is evidence in the power of the first term and the second term. So in general term, we can say that if I'm looking for a specific term, which is the rth term, that is going to be the n times n minus 1, n minus 2, let's say continues up to n minus 1 term. Then we divide that by the n factorial, the answer we got, which is going to be r minus 1. Let's just say that the r minus 1 is 4, right? So our r is 5. So this is what we're going to have. We said that is evidence in the powers. So this will become a n minus r minus 1. Then the second term, which is x, will be equals to r minus 1. Don't forget that r minus 1 is the 4 that you're looking for. So this is what you're going to have. 4. This will be 3 because the power here plus this must give us the power in the question. So per substitution, this will be 7, this will be 6, this will be 5, and the next one will be 4. They said this should be r minus 1 10. So we end there. Divided by r minus 1. 5 minus this. And that will give rise to what? 4. So 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Then our a in this case is going to be 3 exponent of n. 7 minus 4. Don't forget this is 5 minus 1. 4. Then your x will have the power of 5 minus 1. 4. I believe this will cancel this. This is 6. Cancelling this. So we have 35 times 3 exponent of 3x exponent 4. So in this case, we are going to have 27 times the value of what? 35. And that will give us 945x exponent 4. So it means that the fifth term, if we were to expand this, getting all the 8 terms, will give us 945x exponent 4. I believe with this, we can be able to find any of the terms. So let's just say we have 2 minus x exponent 5. Let's find the third term. Let's find the third term of this expansion and share our answer in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.